Hi, good morning. How are you?
Very good morning. I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine too, thank you. So I think this is the first time we're meeting. So could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, exactly. We're meeting for the first time. My name is Arushi Patle. I have been using Clapingo, it's been a year now,
Okay.
and I'm a working professional. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra.
Okay. And what sort of feedback have you gotten so far from the other speakers?
Speakers or tutors?
Tutors, yeah. From the other tutors, what sort of feedback have you gotten? Like in your previous sessions?
They're like, I have improved quite a lot. It's just that every tutor has different feedback, so I cannot
Okay.
say like what is the
Hmm.
constructive feedback. But yeah, they
Hmm.
are like some tutors are like you should take pauses properly. Some are like
Hmm.
for articles, a and
Yeah.
I forget to use articles sometimes, and some are like
Hmm.
your English is quite good. You speak well, but you need to use advanced words or
Huh.
idioms or phrases in your conversation so that it will look more like advanced. Or
Okay,
yeah,
yeah.
we can
Hmm. Yeah, we can say like using advanced level vocabulary.
importance of friendship in our
Hmm.
life. Uh, I think friendship is really very important because sometimes there are things which we cannot, which we are not able to speak with with people around you, like your family members, your sister, your
Hmm.
mother, your father. But friendship is a relation which is not connected by blood, but it is connected like by heart. And the best thing is that friends we choose by ourselves, so we know who is your friend and
Yeah.
who or with whom you can speak what. So
Hmm.
yeah, I think it's really very important.
Do you have any childhood friends or anyone like with whom you
Yes,
have
I do
enjoyed a lot in
have
life? Yeah, okay.
like childhood friend. We are friends since like our childhood or from our school days. We are still friends, not just friends. We are best friends, and there is nothing which can define our friendship. We have been to thick and thin a lot in our
Mm,
like in our individual lives. I have
mm,
been there for her. She has been there for me, and yeah, she got married now. We are still
uh,
friends and friendship is still same. uh, I feel we both are like fortunate or lucky enough to have each other in life, because we have a lot of friends in life, but all are not there for you in all the times.
mm. Yeah.
There are stages come in your life where you have to choose this or that,
Mm,
or you move on and you leave things or people behind because you really want to move ahead in life. But in our case,
yeah.
this is not the thing. We are doing things in our lives, like we are moving ahead, we are facing challenges, we are getting new people in life, but what bond we have is still the same. So I think it's a rare thing.
Yeah, that's really nice. I don't have any childhood friends with whom I'm that close, and it's really makes me sort of envious. It have been two. I maybe I didn't hear it correctly, but it have been through thick and thin. You have been through thick and thin, and
We have been through thick and thin. That's what I said. Is
you
it
said
correct or
through,
not?
right?
Yeah. We
Ah, okay,
have
okay.
been
Yeah,
through.
that's correct. That's correct. I didn't hear it correctly then.
Okay.
And you said stages. That is also correct. We can also say there are different. There come different phases in your life, different points in your life. Stages usually give the idea of different stages, ascending or descending. But still, we can use it. We can use both.
Yeah, actually, I didn't. I was like searching for the word
Ah, yeah,
phases
phases.
only, but I didn't get it. Yeah.
Yeah. Ah, okay. Phases or different points in life. We get different turning points and so on. So, if you like, are you interested in these spy thriller movies like James Bond or something like that?
Not James Bond or something like that, because my childhood was not that like I have been not like I was not into watching movies since childhood,
Ah,
and now also I'm not fond of watching movies a lot. And Hollywood, especially, I have recently or I have lately started watching because just because to improve my communication.
yeah.
That's the thing. But
Hmm.
yeah, spy movie one I remember is Bollywood again, like Razi. I watched that
Ah,
movie, and I think that is also idea of a spy movie or an undercover agent, right?
okay. I've never watched that movie.
Oh my God! Then
Ah,
I think
ah,
we will not be able to like connect.
okay. Like, is that movie that good?
I think it's a good movie because one
Hmm.
of the best actresses is, yeah, one of the best actresses is there,
Is
Alia
there in
Bhatt.
the movie? Yeah, plays a role in the movie.
Yeah, in the movie Alia Bhatt, and the movie is based on like Alia Bhatt is married in a Pakistani family by her father so that she can get like valuable piece of information from the enemy. So that was the
Hmm.
concept of the movie. And I think when your father is like when you're getting married by your father just for the sake of purpose, I think it's quite emotionally connected, and I didn't
Hmm.
like it initially, but later on
Hmm.
I understood the concept that her father was like a father wanted to help his country, and that is the reason
Hmm.
he didn't even think about his daughter. So that, yeah,
Hmm.
that's how it
Yeah,
was.
yeah. Didn't take her feelings into consideration, or didn't think
Ex-
twice when we want to say to hesitate or something. You say to think twice. So he didn't even think twice before just sending his daughter like that. Yeah, didn't
yeah.
think twice. You can say like he had an ulterior motive. Ulterior motive is when you have a hidden motive sort of behind something you're doing. So he had an ulterior motive when he sent his daughter there.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Not she, actually, she was just what should I say? Um,
She was a pawn for him, maybe.
yes, like his father. Sorry, her father used her. So what should I
Yeah,
say?
yeah, yeah. Yeah.
In
So
Hindi, we
for,
say she mohra or
yeah,
something.
yeah, exactly. She was a pawn for him.
She was
Pawn
a
for him. Pawn for. I will write it on chat. PAWN. Pawn for him. A pawn in his game. We can say, and we can also
pawn
say it
for
in a
him.
different way. Yeah, we can say it in a
Okay,
different
she
way. Like
was
he
just
had
a
an ulterior.
pawn.
Yeah, she was just a pawn for him. And we can also say like he had an ulterior motive when he sent her. So that means like he wasn't just marrying her for the sake of marriage, for the sake of love, but because he wanted her to work as a spy, as an undercover agent. So that
Ulterior motive means a hidden like
sort of like a
motive
yeah
which is not
hidden.
good.
Exactly, exactly. Very good. Yeah, you defined it perfectly. Yeah,
Okay.
and you said like the movie is emotionally connected. Uh, I didn't get that.
I mean, we can connect emotionally, like
Yeah.
by the end of the movie.
Okay, okay. That movie touches you, makes you cry,
Yeah, movie
makes you
touches
emotional.
you emotionally, like
Touches you
emotionally
emotionally.
I don't think it's required. If it touches you, it is by default emotionally.
Exactly.
Okay,
Yeah, very
so
good. Yeah,
yeah,
we can
movie
say.
touches you, your
Hmm.
heart, maybe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can say a movie touches you. Even if you do say it touches you emotionally, that is also correct. But as you said, it isn't required in this case. And
Okay, you can connect emotionally
yeah,
because there
exactly.
are two reasons. One is that they are having like daughter father daughter relation, and second
Hmm.
is that the movie has shown in the movie they have shown us you know love for the country. So because of these
Okay.
two
Yeah.
things we can connect emotionally to the
Hmm.
movie, or it will touch your heart.
Okay. Yeah. There's love for the country, patriotism, nationalism. Any of these three words we can use.
I was not getting that word,
Yeah.
patriotism.
Patriotism. Love for the country is equally good.
Okay.
Patriotism. Yeah.
No, I'm not sure about it because I think I am not someone who can even keep the secrets. Like, not in a bad way, but I may speak it. I may,
Speak it aloud. Share it with someone.
yeah, I may
Say it.
speak it aloud, or I may share it someone easily. Like to take it as a challenge, and I would like to challenge myself that whether I can do it or not for the sake of my
Yeah.
country, or for the love
Hmm.
of or for the love of country.
Yeah, for the sake of my country or for my love for this country. Yeah.
Yeah, for
And
the
actually we say it aloud. I said it, speak it aloud. That's not correct. Say it aloud.
Say
And
it aloud.
say it aloud is usually too literal. Like say it aloud is something saying something in this way. Blurt it out is usually something that you didn't want to say, but you just said it unintentionally in a way. Like I
Okay.
blurted out a secret. Yeah. So someone might tell me a secret and I might just blurt it out in front of someone, or I might share it with someone. You can say it like that. Okay. Like in what ways are the lives of undercover agents different from ours? What sort of challenges must they face?
Okay, so I think it depends. If it is in the same country or same city, it's quite okay. But normally it
Hmm.
is not for the same place.
Hmm.
It is, I think mostly it is for a different country or another country. So
Hmm.
when you're leaving your place and you're going to the place which is totally unknown for you, it is
Hmm.
really difficult for you to hide yourself from the people, to hide your um, originality or your identity, hide
Yeah,
your
I didn't.
identity
Hmm. Hmm.
and portray someone else, or to like pretend someone else for for a longer
Hmm.
period. And you have to like make people believe that I am this person and not the original one. And
Yeah.
sometimes there are language barriers.
Hmm.
If you are a person who takes time to adjust in a situation, then that is again that is again a difficult thing for you, or that
Yeah.
is again cherry
Yeah,
on the
that's
cake.
a cherry on the cake is for positive things.
No, yeah, I wanted to ask you, if I want to like add something in a negative way, what phrase I can use
Add something in a
in a
negative
negative
way.
way?
Okay.
Yeah,
That's a more difficult thing. I cannot think of a phrase at this moment. Perhaps
yeah,
if
because
something comes to
something
me, I
is
can.
already negative and you're adding more things to.
Yeah, yeah, there is a phrase for that, but unfortunately, it doesn't come to my mind just
All
now.
right.
Unfortunately,
Maybe
yeah, I will
in
have
the
to check
next
it.
session, if yeah.
Yeah, yeah, maybe if I get to.
So
Um,
yeah,
yeah.
language barrier things, adjusting with new people, and hiding your original identity. These are
Hmm.
the difficult things, especially in this role.
Yeah, that's true. In
For a
another, we
different
already have the article "an," but in this case, it will be for a different country.
for a different
It's for a
country.
different
Okay.
country, yeah. And for okay, pretend someone else. Pretend to be someone else. Pretend to be.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretend to be someone else.
Pretend to be someone else. And for something that is made more serious, something that is made more difficult, we do have the word aggravated. But there is a phrase also, as I said, I'm not able to think of it. But yeah, we can use the word aggravated. Like because of all these factors, the situation is even more aggravated. We can use it for illnesses also. Like I had a cough and it was okay, but then I drank cold coffee and it was aggravated. It became more severe.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we can say it that way. Uh, okay, so far, have your sessions been going at Clippingo? Like, what has your journey been like?
Journey, like I have started in COVID times, and
I
from
started it. Not have started, but I started it.
I started. Okay, but
Hmm.
it's still going on.
Yeah, I so the actual act of starting was in the past. That's why I started it, and
Okay.
I have been doing it for 1 year, I think. I have
Okay.
been doing it. Hmm.
I started in the COVID times, and previously it was difficult for me. Everything was new, but eventually I started taking sessions. Actually, initially I was taking sessions with like same tutors only, two or three tutors, because I
Okay.
was not that confident
Hmm.
to speak with new tutors. And I think it's been 6 months I have been changing tutors frequently because I wanted a new feedback. And I feel like if I'm talking to someone for the first time, they'll give me a honest feedback. They will not think, they will not know like for how long I have been practicing or
Hmm.
efforts I'm making. So they will not think about me. They'll just give me a feedback like a first time tutor, and you have to work on this. So this I have been started now. And yeah,
This
the
I have
journey is,
started. Huh?
I
Hmm.
have
You said I have been started. I have
I
started.
have started now.
Yeah.
When you're using been, you cannot use now.
We can use it. That would be passive voice. This has been happening. Now this has been happening a lot, but that would be passive voice. And with been, we use the ing form. So
Yeah, I
that
have.
yeah,
Okay, yeah.
yeah. In this
I
case, it
have
would be I.
started now. And yeah, the best part was that I was a brand ambassador for Clapingo for 3 months. So
Ah,
that was like an achievement for me. That was an overwhelming experience for me,
yeah.
because someone who is using this platform to
Mm,
improve one's communication skills, who is
mm.
getting a like it's kind of a reward for me. So yeah, I
Yeah.
enjoy.